game ends. Huh. I don't see any of those things popping out of the sand. I thought that butterfly was going to land on my girl's head there. Oh. Huh. That's weird. Maybe I have to fish the components out, or like maybe it's different every time. I don't know. Well, let's see. Yeah, well, let's find out. I can get some Nook Miles too. So. You know, one thing that I kind of missed about the original Animal Crossing on GameCube is that you could do jobs for other animals. You could get, you know, some nice furniture and fill out your catalog pretty quickly that way. Okay, I'm guessing I was probably wrong about getting in the water, and I thought I unlocked a challenge. I mean, finished the challenge.